Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the voice volume in the TomTom Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the menu button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the voices button, and within this section look for the voice volume section, and as you can see, by dragging the white circle back and forth you can set the volume percentage. So just click on the, or just drag the circle to the percentage that you want to set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.